Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. Hi students, in this video we are going to create labels and we are going to use mail image. Here is the question. It says you need to create labels to promote the virus and antivirus workshops. Use landscape orientation. Let's change our document to landscape layout, orientation, landscape. Okay, that's done. Use the appropriate function of your word processing program to create labels. Create 20 labels, 4 columns and 5 rows. Okay. Display the borders of all 20 labels. Use Arial 12. Okay. So we're quickly going to change this document font to Arial and size 12. Okay. Then we're going to go to mailings. Then we're going to say start mail image. Then we're going to select step by step. When you select step by step, on the right hand side there is a pen that opens up. We select labels. Then we click on next. Then we click on labels options over there. When we click on labels options, we're going to be presented with this window. To select 20 labels, which is 4 by 5, you have to be either A5 or A4 here. Then you have to be at J5 101 here under product number. Okay, the label vendor is every A4, A5. The product number is J5 101. Okay, if you click on new label here, you will notice that we have 4 columns here and 5 rows here. Okay, then we can click on OK. Now our labels have been inserted. The table is a table for the labels, but it doesn't have borders. You can actually click on table design there. Then you can insert borders for the labels. Okay, let me choose these ones that are darker. Now these are our labels. We have 20 labels, 5 rows and 4 columns. Okay, now then we are going to click on next, where we select recipients. We already have a list. Remember the spreadsheet that we had. Click on browse. It's going to take you to the default location, which was documents and my data sources. But this is not where our data source is saved. Our data source is saved where we are saving our files. So you have to make sure that you navigate right to the folder where you stored your data source, that Excel file that we did. So I'm going to click on desktop over there, computer lessons. Then under computer lessons, inside Microsoft MS Word, then open that one as well. We find our file there. This is our data source file, Q8A. Then I open the file. Then I click on OK. Then this is the file. Then I'm going to just click on OK. Now I'm going to have all my files like that. Okay, let's go back to our question paper. It says that key in the antivirus, not on antivirus word. So we need this text as the heading, which is centered. So we're going to put it in the heading in the first label. Okay, then they're saying it must appear in all labels. Okay, so I'm quickly going to do that. Make sure that the data we've just used that data. And then we're going to insert the label. So first of all, we're going to key in our text. They said it should be bold and centered, right? Bold and centered. Okay, then we are going to key in to insert the merge fields. Our merge fields that we're supposed to insert are these ones. Operating system, press enter. We insert example, press enter. We insert virus, press enter. Then we insert vulnerability. Okay, they are supposed to be right aligned. Okay, so we're going to quickly right align this. Click there. These are the fields that we're supposed to insert: operating system, example, virus and vulnerability. So we have inserted our mesh fields. Okay, So now we need to make sure that these fields are populated. So we click on next. Then here it says update all the labels with whatever I have in my first label here, because I want this heading to be in all labels. Then I want this one to also be in all labels. Okay, then I'm quickly gonna say update. So it's gonna update all my fields, my labels with the same setup that I have in the first label. As you can see, you can copy the layout of the first label to the other labels on the page by clicking the button below. So I've clicked there to update all the labels. Okay, then I'm going to click on next to preview my labels. When I preview my labels, you can notice that we only have three types of operating systems over here, right? So I'm going to, the question says that the data must be right aligned as follows, right? The data of Microsoft on the first label in row 2. Okay, we go to row 2, right? We don't want this data to be here, so we're quickly going to cut it out. Okay, we're quickly going to cut it out. Okay, right click, control and cut, then we put it here, right? We take this one, because cut it as well. It says must be in open source, must be in row 3, the first column. Okay, I'm gonna just copy paste it there. Apple must be in row 4, first label. There you go. So this is what they wanted here, right? And then we move on. Copy the data of each operating system to the second, third, and fourth labels. Okay, so we're simply going to copy this data. Copy now, not cut, because when you cut, you're going to move it second, third, and fourth labels. Okay, then the next one, it should be on the second, third, and fourth labels as well. Second, third, and fourth label. When I'm pasting, I'm pressing Control V on the keyboard. Press and hold Control, then you press on V. Okay, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and paste. Okay, this is what they want. Now let's move on to the next question. They are saying, yeah, do not insert the examination number as the, so insert your examination number and question number as follows. Examination number row 1, label 1. Okay, the first row, this is the first row, this is the label 1. So I'm going to type in my examination number. So it should be left aligned according to the instructions. Okay, now question number row 1, label 2, left aligned. Okay, so this is going to be question 8D. Okay, and it should be left aligned. Okay, don't forget our work is supposed to be in Arial. I see that it's not in Arial 12. So our work must be in Arial 12. I've changed the font for my document to Arial 12. Actually, this is what the document is supposed to look like. So they are saying do not insert as header. We haven't done that. Save the file as Q8D Norton. Let me save the file because I had not saved it. I'm gonna look for my location. I usually save in this folder, computer practice. This is where I am. Question 8D. Okay, Norton. Question 8D, and click on save. So I have done my labels already. As you can see, the next question says print the labels on A4 landscape page and place the printout in your examination folder. We know the process of printing file and then print. Okay, when you print, it's going to appear like that. This is our print preview. You select your printer from these ones. I don't have a printer installed on my computer at the moment, but if you have your printer, you look for it here. Then after selecting your printer, you click on print over there. Okay, When you click on print, it's going to send this document to your printer. This is what you're going to get. It's going to have your examination number here, your question number over there. Okay, then it's going to have the data that is supposed to appear over there like that according to the instructions. And make sure that it says 1 of 1 to show that it's only on one page. Okay, this is the end of our word processing questions that we have in this question paper. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also ring the bell button so that you get notified when I upload new videos to this channel. Thank you so much. I hope you pass your examination. All the best.